y'all. It's Thursday, February the 6th, and as y'all can see, we are on our way to the beach to have us a nice beach day. So we just plan on having fun, playing in the sand, soaking up some sun today, since it's a nice, good sunny day in Miami. So of course, you know we got y'all girl Lay with us. And sis is in a twosie. She got a whole two-piece on, real cute, y'all. So, but y'all know when I ride that, she about to go to sleep. So, as always, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Cocktails, because we are trying to build our subscribers, and we are trying to put out content, okay? So, once again, welcome to our channel. For those who are new to our channel, it's Cocktails on a Wednesday. Yes, it is Thursday. That means we trying to do our thing, get these videos out to build up our subscribers, okay? So, once again, we are on our way to the beach. It's not really South Beach, but it's in that area or whatever. Those who are familiar with the Miami area, it's kind of like going down 79th over the bridge, and then it's like North Shore Beach. That's the one we're going to. So it's North Shore Beach, those who are familiar with the Miami area. So yeah, we're gonna soak up some sun today, and just relax, because we need a relaxing day today, because we back at it tomorrow at work. All right, so later we'll show y'all exactly how our day goes. All right, so stay tuned, please. All right, y'all, we done made it to the beach. It's a nice hot, it ain't hot, nice cool sun out day. We done made it to the beach. We done parked by the phone. Being paid, did we do the paid park by the phone. So that got me a little upset, because I forgot he changed his tag, and the freaking tag in the app, and it didn't. So I had to fix all that. But other than that, we good, man. But it's a nice, cool, straight day. We coming to relax for like an hour or two. We gonna see how she like it. It's our first time taking her to the beach. So let's see how this goes. Oh boy, it's a nice day though. All right, we almost to this water, y'all. This sand better not be too hot. All right, let's see how much. Let's check out this sand. Def. Hey, hot tamale. Oh, I don't know if that cart, if you think it's gonna push in the sand. I don't know. Oh, it's pushing. Barely. It stopped. Okay, hot tamale, you got to get out. Let me get that.
You gotta eat that sun. We on the beach.
We on the beach. Sis better get that melanin in that skin. Look at this spoiled brat. You looking at what that noise is? All right. Spoiled brat. Oh, the sand not that hot. It's warm. this sand just made me walk even slower. I already walk slow. Jeez. Somebody here. Good day. Good beach day. Hotels. Ooh, it's a lot of sand. Lord. Thank God I ain't wear my good sandals. I would have popped them flawless going in this sand like that. Okay. So, beach mornings. Today we got a yellow flag and purple flag. So, medium hazards and dangerous marine life. You gotta worry about me going there too far. We finished setting up our little tent. Y'all, this is so much better than the actual umbrella. We love it. Crazy girl. She liking the wind. My Mr. Fix It, y'all. He did a really good job. He always do a good job putting stuff together. Show him how that thing works. This the beach lay. He taking hot tamale out there, y'all. She was just crying her feet touched the sand. That's probably too much for her. I don't know. The water cold? Ugh, gosh. We got some stuff in our handy dandy bag that I brought for her bucket and water pail that she can use, her little shovel, her little seahorse mold. What else? And her jellyfish mold. So we have those things already here, and of course a milk baba. Sis gotta get in the sand. She's scared of the sand though. That's crazy. I'm gonna go check out the water. Oh, what's that? The water is cold. No, it don't feel good. Nope, not a fan of cold water. Ooh, nope. I'm okay. That water cold, y'all. He talking about it feel good. No, it don't. I wouldn't sit here in that water if I were you. I wouldn't do it. Ooh, hit my foot. It's cold. Y'all want to see some of the hazard marine life? Jellyfish. Oh, the tentacles look long too. Jellyfish. He's still moving. I don't want that water to hit it and then it come my way. Oh, there's like a little baby one right there too. Oh no, that's glass. Yeah, but that's he's still moving. Right. Got a little cute little tent I set up. Huh? Bahamas water was cold, man. Yeah, we was walking and we found another baby jellyfish. Right here, not far from where we are at, actually. A little baby jellyfish. These things washing the shore. Gotta be careful. We came back from the water. It's cold. Mama Dukes wanted her bottle. So I think you gotta put water in there to make it a mold. This is where we are right now. I put the key in the bag. Yeah, Late not really having it. She don't want no part of this water. There she go. Now ain't nobody bothering her. Nobody bothering her. She just don't feel like it. Hey, what you trying to build, a castle?
Hey, look, you gotta.
Okay. That's the first step. Okay. 2 pieces. You gonna tell them the trick to a good mold?
Good water. I'm not good water. Water and sand. You wanna make sure it's wet though. The sand. You wanna make sure the sand is wet. Pat it down in. Make sure it's packed in tight.
Mm-hmm.
So that way it can hold its shape.
Mm-hmm.
And voila.
Oh, so all you said and then boom, voila.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
You wanna see?
And we can't take no sand home. That's illegal. That's crazy. It's gonna be illegal. You'll catch a whole charge stealing sand.
You want to try?
I'm gonna try to mold this one. The starfit, I wanna try this. A seahorse. That's the sound a seahorse make. I don't know, but that's the sound I done made it make. Child. Gotta put some water. Let's see how to start the seahorse come out.
I packed it in.
It's a ugly little seahorse. I can see the shape. So that's the key to making a good seahorse, packing it in?
Yep.
Okay. Pack it in. See? Positioning it. That is the key. Look better. We did a good seahorse. This is the one before he packed it in. After he packed it in. So I guess he might know a little something. Let's try the jellyfish. Oh, we can use these. Pack it in, Hewitt Packer. Hold on, let me get the lay. Okay. Let me see. Jellyfish. 1, 2, 3.
Nope.
It was not bad. It looked like SpongeBob jellyfish. It's not bad. You're gonna get some more water to go pack it up so we can make some more stuff. Look at my girl, y'all. This is my girl. This is my girl. Okay, my girl. What happened? Come on. Using your strength. Y'all see this sexy 2-piece spoon leg? Put some respect on her, girl. We look alike. We look like y'all. Oh, my mom. You gonna show up people the goods. They trying to show people the goods. You finna get out there and show him how to do it? You finna get out there and show Papa how to do it? Second round. Second round. Oh, that's a good jellyfish. You made it with the water.
Moisture, water ratio.
Oh, you gotta say that again? You gotta get it what now? Water to moisture and water ratio together?
Sand and water ratio.
Oh, okay. Okay. So why are y'all right here? They know something I don't know? All them birds.
Food over here.
They lied. They know something I don't know? It's okay, baby. We gonna beat them birds up if they come over here. I promise you we gonna beat some birds up today. You ever seen a bird get beat up by a human? You gonna see one today. Let them play with you. Let them even come close to Mama Lay. Ooh, we gonna beat them up and then we gonna skin them. And then we gonna eat their wings for dinner. We gonna have some bird wings. It's still in the chicken family. Let's destroy the little sand mounds and the little seahorse. And the jellyfish. Whoosh.
Right.
Oh, I'm right here. Whoosh. Oh, look. Whoosh. So petty, right? So when we first got her, he kept saying, she don't like me. She don't like me. Now look what she at. All on him. All on him. Sleeping. Like best of friends. Look at this. Stuck like glue now. Stuck like glue. You. Spoiled brat. Not by me, by him. You know what? They were saying that behind every spoiled girl is a bald-headed man. Look. He bald-headed, y'all. And that's a spoiled girl. Oh, okay. We're leaving the beach now. We did, what, 2 hours together. We're walking back in this, in this deep sand. It's hot. We walking back. It's hot, y'all. Bye-bye, beach. Say bye-bye. Almost there, y'all. Almost there. See? Say bye-bye. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Yeah, my leg was not having it for this beach. Ooh, I ain't having it either. All this sand. Lord. I wish I was small enough to get picked up. Right, Mama Lay? I'm almost there so we can put it in the stroller. Whew. Look at these feet. Filthy from that sand. Whew. You can rent some bikes. Come out here and skate. Playground for the kids. Bring the dogs. They have a dog park and stuff down there. Little park for the kids. It's a pretty good beach. We've been coming here for a couple of years now. Junior, what, 16? So, about 16 years. Because we used to bring him here when he was little, remember? Yep, we used to bring his behind here when he was little. The little bus. The little scooter. Thanks for the dog. That's what the park is called. North Shore Open Space Park. All right, we good. We ain't got no ticket. We good. We gotta put all this stuff back in the car. All right, we are back in the car. We have made it in. Everybody done drunk their water. Lay got her bottle. She is good. I'm good. Papa in the front, about to take off driving. We ain't got no ticket. Y'all, we are good because we shouldn't have a ticket either way. We did pay the park by the app. But remember I told y'all I had an issue with, because Dev changed his tag. So I got to make sure, and when I do the app again, since we drive his car pretty much for a lot of stuff, I got to make sure that I change the tag number in the app because his tag changed. But yeah, like I was saying before, we've been coming to this beach for like 16 years. Nice beach, always been good. They upgraded the beach. It's beautiful, y'all. Very quiet. It's never really always busy, but it's a good little spot for us for you to chill at. We love it. We always been coming here. And now that we got Lay, now we gonna start bringing Lay here more, even though, because we used to bring Junior here a lot. So now we're good. So as always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, I thank you for those who made it to the end of this video. Thank you whoever made it to the end of all our videos. And thank you for being a Cocktails fan. And continue to watch for more uploads. And we'll see you on our next video. Kiss the ring.